Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. You need an Android 6, 0 or later device or Chrome signed into your Google account. Once done, make sure screen lock is active, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint because Smart Lock depends on it. Open Settings, search Smart Lock, or open Chrome Settings autofill. Tap to enter your Google password when asked. This authorizes the feature. Now you're ready to choose what Smart Lock will remember: passwords, trusted devices, or on-body detection. You now configure the core options. First, enable passwords to save and autofill logins, sign into a site and accept the save prompt, then verify autofill works. Next, add trusted devices or trusted places, pair a Bluetooth device or set a location in Maps. This lets your device stay unlocked nearby. Finally, consider on-body detection or trusted face. Use them only if convenience outweighs the reduced security. Make sure to test each option immediately so you know how they behave in real situations. You finish by thoroughly testing everything. Lock your phone, move away, then return to verify trusted places and devices unlock as expected, and check password autofill in apps. If something fails, make sure Google Play services and Chrome are up to date, then reboot the device and repair Bluetooth accessories. If needed, remove and re-add a trusted place or device or clear Smart Lock data in settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if auto unlock stops, revoke and reauthorize the Bluetooth pair. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.